The American Express Platinum. It might have been one of the cards that started the whole travel and luxury credit card war, or whatever you want to call it. Plus, it's made out of metal, so that means you could toss it down on things and you can probably cause some damage if you threw it hard enough. Oh yeah, I guess if you want to look cool while putting it down on the table, you could also do that if you're into that. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jacob Fisher and it's Minute Monday, which means we need to answer the question, what is the best perk of the American Express Platinum card in just a few short minutes? Now I think this is actually going to be a video where we do cover the topic in just a couple of minutes because it's one single perk. So with that, let's tap the like button and get into it. The American Express Platinum has a ton of perks to it, whether it be Uber credits or streaming credits, which are around for just now, to lounge access and hotel status. All of the perks are honestly great on this card, and the total value of the card perks outweigh the membership fee, which is why I have the card. It actually pays for itself and then more with it. If you want a full breakdown on the benefits of the American Express Platinum, check out my other video up there on that. I think it's a pretty good video. Anyways, what used to be the best benefit of this card was the lounge access, and while the card still has lounge access, all of the Centurion lounges are closed and you can't go there since they're closed. Now that used to save me $20 to $40 to $50 maybe a month in total savings, yielding to be about $240 to $600 a year that I would get from this card just by when I was traveling. I could go to the lounge and get food and a drink and just kind of enjoy myself and didn't have to buy food at like the Chick-fil-A. Well, Chick-fil-A is pretty good, but still, I didn't have to buy it. That was the biggest perk of the American Express Platinum for me, and you can't really use it right now, so it's gotta be something else. Right now, there's the streaming credit category that you get. You get $20 a month towards streaming services, and that would be the best perk, but it's not around forever, so I figured I just can't really include that in this video. Right now, it is the absolute best perk, but the card overall, doesn't stick around. That perk is only temporary, so if you were thinking about getting the card, don't do it because of that, because I think they end in December and August, so I'm pretty much out of the credits anyway. The best benefit right now during pandemic times is definitely the Uber credit. Now hear me out, it's not the actual Uber credit to take an Uber that I'm talking about, it's the Uber credit that you can use towards Uber Eats purchases. You get $15 a month and then $20 a month in December. That's how they issue the credits. I haven't been to a restaurant in quite some time, and this allows me to get that restaurant quality food that I'm looking for, or just not wanting to cook dinner at that point in time. This lets me get some takeout from a restaurant for pretty much $15 off. Typically Uber Eats orders for me around $40 to $50, and this takes $15 off, but Uber also likes to run a lot of promotions where you get maybe 30% off if you take your order above $50, which again is another $15 off, and you're really getting $30 off at that point for a $50 meal. Once you get over that threshold of the $50, you get the 30% off, and then the credits come in no matter what, so it's really a great perk overall just to get some food from the restaurant. That $50, you definitely get enough food for a meal for two, or for yourself for lunch the next day. The American Express Platinum card is a travel card, that's what it's meant to be, but travel is difficult, as we all know right now. Whether it be hotel status, airline fee credit, or TSA PreCheck Global Entry credit, all of those benefits are a little bit hard to redeem right now, which is why Uber Eats comes in clutch. You're not really enjoying the gold status you get at Hilton if you're not staying in the hotel to reap the benefits of it. Then with Centurion lounges closed, I can't go and get my nice little food that they serve there before I go on a plane. Not that I'm doing that often, but I just can't do it now. It's kind of, a little annoying, which is why a lot of Chase cards and Amex cards have added extra benefits to try to keep people with the card instead of just canceling and getting rid of the card overall. With the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you can use those travel credits you get, the $300 you get every year, for restaurant takeout, which is honestly just great. I think it's also groceries. Restaurants and groceries will count towards that travel credit. Amex added the streaming credits, and Chase has that $300 credit you get, which is, I like that a lot. I think I'm excited to use it. Mine doesn't come around until September, but once that hits, I'll be able to use that definitely to its fullest. Let me know what you think down in the comments of this perk and whether or not you agree. I just want to hear from you. I upload videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on travel and finance. If that sounds like of something interesting to you, make sure you subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.